For today's video guys, mag-assemble tayo ng filter. So 3 stages filter siya. So ang kakabit natin filter ay sediment filter, carbon filter, tsaka solid carbon filter. So ito, lagyan muna natin ng Teflon, yung mga fittings niya. Bago natin ikabit isa-isa. Yan. Teflonin muna natin itong mga niple. So ito, natanggal na lagyan na natin lahat ng Teflon. So ito, bubuin naman natin siya. Ito yung out, in, and out, in. So, ang unahin nating filter, first stage yung clear. Second ay para sa carbon, and then para sa solid carbon yung last. Ayan. Ito, magdudugsong-dugsongin lang natin itong mga to. So, dito. Yan, dito. Pagsusunod-sunodin lang natin yung from in, and in, then going out. So yan, buuin na natin to. Okay. And next. Next. So, pagdugsong-dugsongin lang natin itong tatlong pinaka-filter, lid filter niya. Ito. Pinaka-cap. Bigyan natin ang Teflon. So, buuin na natin yung bracket niya. So, ito. So ito na nabuo na natin. So yan. Then lagyan natin ng level dito. So sa dingding. Then after ng level na yan, so bubutasin na natin siya ng barena. Okay. How about you, Hayata? You want coffee? They're the ones doing the YouTube. You can take up movies and put them in YouTube. I think he's also doing it. You did? Yeah. Everyone now is recording everything. Yeah. And movies and YouTube. His husband
husband and his son, they also have daily meals. Yeah.
Oh, is it filter?
Yeah,
For water.
for water.
No, this is a carbon cover.
We're going to have the barbecue here tomorrow.
Yeah, so lovely. Hey, Docs is watching. Yeah, I think Doc has a lot of issues about cats. But still scared. Concrete anchor. 좀 없나?汗がすごい汗出るから。So the house on the mountainside or countryside. Same here. Yeah. And I always say, however, legally quite difficult.
What?
Some of the properties are restricted by country. Just only farmers can get or come by because government want to try to keep the farming, like the businesses, or because like we have just like 60-70% food are made in inside of Japan. So ito, kabitan natin yung filter niya. Yan.
We have to buy our clothes.
Yeah. Wait.
Init, wala.
Last one. So is natin gasket. Okay. Then ito. Okay, tapos na. Tapos na natin siya. So, yan ha. So, pagtatest niyan, ito, para pabalabasin muna natin tubig sa pressure relief valve niya para mawala yung hangin, para tuloy-tuloy ang flow ng water. Okay, yan. Yan. May hangin pa siya, oh. Okay, okay na to. Next. Yan yung hangin, oh. Yeah. Pag ubos na yung hangin yan, okay na yan. Dire-diretso ng flow ng tubig niya. Okay. Okay. Yan. Okay na. Okay na. So, ito. Okay. Wow. Yun yung black carbon. So, kailangan mo nang i-clear yung water niyan bago siya gamitin. Ano, itim siya. Oh. Yan. So, papuputayin muna natin yung water niya bago gamitin. Yan. So So, na yan, unti-unti nang lumilinaw yung tubig niya. Okay, yan. Malinis na. Pero, pa-pre-flow muna natin para sigurado malinis bago gamitin yung tubig. Okay, ayan na po yung natapos natin filter. Okay, first stage, sediment filter. Second stage, solid carbon. And the third stage is yung activated carbon. So, pang remove ng taste and odor. Then, this first stage will be last for 3 months. In the second stage, 6 months. And the last stage is 1 year. Depende sa quality ng tubig. So, dito naman sa Lokban, malinis ang tubig. So, hindi rin mabaho. Hindi rin makalawang. So, pwede na rin yung inumin. So, ito, see? Clear na yung tubig niya.